The Honorable Arthur L. Burnett, Sr., retired judge of the Superior Court of the District of Columbia, former Vice President of Administration, National Executive Director and National Spokesperson for the National African American Drug Policy Coalition, Inc., was recently selected as the most influential leader in the judicial system by the International Association of Top Professionals, IAOTP. While inclusion with the International Association of Top Professionals, IAOTP, is an honor, choosing the top 20 most influential members of the year comes with great purpose, admiration, and respect. These members inspire others, show gratitude, bring people together, and have helped people feel connected to one another. With their service, they have displayed innovative leadership practices, pushed others towards success, and made sure their voice left an impact. Judge Burnett has superior performance in his field and holds high morals and integrity in all he does. IAOTP will honor him for this distinction at their annual awards gala being held at the Bellagio Hotel in Las Vegas this December. Judge Burnett is one of the most influential leaders in the justice system of all time. He has dedicated more than 60 years of his professional talent and expertise to the legal field, serving the judicial system. In recent years, Judge Burnett was honored as Top Judge of the Year. He received the prestigious Lifetime Achievement Award and was inducted into IAOTP's exclusive Hall of Fame. He was named Top Judge of the Decade and was featured in the Top 50 Fearless Leaders publication. With such a phenomenal impact on society, Judge Burnett has demonstrated success on a global level. He has visited and consulted with judges from foreign countries and served as a briefing judge for the U.S. Department of State in advising foreign judges on the operations of the legal and judicial system of the United States. Mr. Burnett commenced his legal career after graduating from Howard University summa cum laude with a major in political science and a minor in economics. In his junior year, he was elected to Phi Beta Kappa and attended New York University School of Law. Judge Burnett received his college degree in 1957 from Howard University and received his law degree in 1958 from New York University, graduating as the Founders Day Award recipient in the top of his class. Mr. Burnett completed 7 years of college and law school work in only 6 years. He was also Associate Research Editor of its Law Review. Mr. Burnett began in the Attorney General's Honors Program at the U.S. Department of Justice in the Criminal Division in 1958, but was shortly thereafter drafted into the United States Army. He became a second lieutenant in the Adjutant General Corps and received the Army Commendation Medal from the Secretary of U.S. Army for his exceptional performance of duty. He continued to serve in the Ready Reserve and was promoted to first lieutenant, and finally resigned his commission when he was appointed to United States Magistrate in June 1969. In April 1965, he became an assistant United States Attorney in Washington, D.C., serving as a senior prosecutor. Judge Burnett then became the first legal counsel of the Metropolitan Police Department in D.C. to oversee the recovery from the riots resulting from the assassination of Martin Luther King Jr. In 1969, he was appointed as the first African-American United States Magistrate, in which he served until December 1975. Judge Burnett then became the legal advisor for the United States Civil Service System, and served as a principal legal advisor to the President of the United States, dealing with all bills pending before the U.S. Congress and reforms in the federal personnel system. Judge Burnett served as the principal author of the bill resulting in the Civil Service Reform Act of 1978 and reorganizations of government agencies in the Carter administration. In January 1980, he was again appointed United States Magistrate in the United States District Court for D.C., where he served until 1987, when President Ronald Reagan appointed him to the Superior Court of D.C. He retired in October 1998 from active associate judge status and became a senior judge of the Superior Court and continued to serve actively hearing cases until August of 2004. Judge Burnett also served as judge in residence and co-chair to the Children's Defense Fund Judges Component, where he advised on proposed legislation, ran seminars and conferences at the Alex Haley Farm Retreat in Tennessee, and was a speaker for children's issues and reforms required in juvenile justice process. Throughout his illustrious career, Judge Burnett has received numerous awards and has been recognized worldwide for his outstanding leadership and commitment to the profession. In 1963, he received the Sustained Superior Performance Award from the Attorney General Robert Kennedy in serving as a monitor of the Martin Luther King Jr. movement. In 1978, he was awarded the Distinguished Civil Service Award for his work on the civil service reform effort under President Jimmy Carter. In 1985, he was recognized by the American Bar Association's National Conference of Special Court Judges as the most outstanding special court judge in America. In 1999, he was recognized as being one of the 3 most outstanding general jurisdiction judges, hearing all types of cases in America by the American Bar Association's National Conference of State Trial Court Judges. In 2005, he was awarded the ABA Commission on Racial and Ethnic Diversity in the Profession Spirit of Excellence Award for his civil rights history and judicial performance. In 2009, he was acknowledged as a Waymaker in the American Bar Association Judges Journal for his civil rights history and judicial performance in an extensive interview of his life's history. In 2010, a chapter was dedicated to him in the Top 101 Industry Expert publication by Worldwide Who's Who. In 2014, he was recognized by the White House Office of National Drug Control Policy as one of the 10 leading substance abuse experts in the U.S. and inducted into D.C.'s Hall of Fame. For 2017, he was honored as Top Judge of the Year by the International Association of Top Professionals. For 2018, recipient of IAOTP's Lifetime Achievement Award. 2019, inducted into IAOTP's Hall of Fame. And for 2020, selected as Judge of the Decade. Now retired, Mr. Burnett continues to serve as the National Executive Director of the National African American Drug Policy Coalition, Inc., and as an officer in several other nonprofit entities, on their board of directors, or as an advisor to such organizations dealing with youth, substance abuse, mental health, and juvenile and criminal justice reforms. He was recently reappointed by the Mayor of the District of Columbia to a part-time position as a member of the District of Columbia Commission on Fathers, Men, and Boys to a term ending in September 2020. Looking back, Judge Burnett attributes his success to gifts given to him at birth, his integrity, his passion for the law, and his commitment to realize the innate talents and abilities of every individual human being, and the support of his lovely wife and 5 children who have all excelled in their lives. For the future, he will continue to give his best efforts as a professional and to fight for justice and true equality for every human being on the face of this earth. For more information on Judge Burnett, please visit www.iaotp.com/Honorable Arthur Burnett, SR.